If you're searching for hosting for landing pages, you're probably trying to do one thing: get more conversions. Whether it's leads, sales, bookings, email signups, or product purchases, a landing page only has one job: turn visitors into action. And that's why your hosting matters more than most people think. A lot of marketers spend hours optimizing headlines, buttons, and copy, but then host their landing page on a slow website. The result? People leave before the page even loads. That's where hosting can be a practical choice. For beginners, you can use the website builder and AI tools to create a landing page quickly without touching code. For marketers and business owners, you can build landing pages with WordPress, connect your forms, track conversions, and manage everything from one place. The other advantage is speed. When you're running ads from Google, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform, every second matters. A faster landing page can mean better user experience and potentially more conversions. Another thing I like is flexibility. Today, you might only need one landing page. 6 months later, you may want a blog, an e-commerce store, a membership site, or a complete business website. Hosting gives you room to grow without switching platforms. So if your goal is collecting leads, selling products, booking appointments, or testing marketing campaigns, Hosting provides the tools to build and host landing pages without making things overly complicated. So before searching for Hostinger for landing pages, check the current offer link below and see whether it fits the type of campaign you're building. And if you enjoy finding marketing tools, hosting reviews, conversion-focused resources, software deals, and online business tips, subscribe to the channel. We regularly share practical guides and verified deals to help you grow faster.